going on?
Well, that big fat one there, I think, is a transport.
That's probably the
It looks like
refugee from the Mexico.
no. Look at the one up above the fat one. It's fueling the other one, I think.
Oh,
See it? It's dragging something there.
yeah.
That, I think, is fueling. It just maybe got done, or is about to. See that thing? They lower it down,
Yeah.
and they pass fuel.
Really?
Yep. You see it?
Yeah.